Are you looking for a mascara that can instantly make your lashes look longer, fuller, and more attractive without spending a lot of money? Are you tired of trying one mascara after another but every single time ending up with clumping, flappy, or completely disappointing results? Do you want a product that will truly transform your lashes and give you that bold, eye-catching look you see on social media every day? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then today's video might be made just for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about the incredibly popular and viral Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is currently one of the most talked about beauty products on social media right now. From TikTok to beauty influencers all around the world, everyone has completely lost their minds over the unbelievable length, volume, and definition this mascara delivers. It has gone viral multiple times, been featured on countless beauty blogs, and has received thousands of 5-star reviews from real users all across the globe. But is it really worth all the hype? Can you actually lift, curl, length, and define your lashes the way people claim it does, or is it just another overhyped internet trend that does actually deliver on its promises? Today, we are going to find that out together completely, honestly, openly, and without any filter. I will show you everything you need to know about this mascara, the packaging and design, the quality of the brush, the texture of the formula, the full step-by-step application process, and of course the final result after using it on my own lashes. We will also talk about its pros and cons, what type of people it is best suited for, high performance on different lash types, and whether it is better for everyday makeup or special occasions. One of the most talked about things about this mascara is its lightweight and buildable formula. Many mascara weigh your lashes down or make them look stiff and unnatural, but the Maybelline Sky High formula feels incredibly light on the lashes while still delivering amazing length and volume at the same time. It builds up beautiful with each coat, from a simple natural daytime look all the way to a full dramatic evening look while use the same product. And the best part, it does not clump, flap, or smalls easily even after wearing it for hours and hours. Another fantastic feature of this mascara is its flexible brush. The brush has been specially designed with a curved and flexible shape that can reach even the tiniest lashes that most other brushes tend to miss. This means you get complete and even coverage across your entire lash line, from the inner corner of your eye all the way to the outer edge, with no uneven patches or gaps. This flexible brush technology is honestly one of the main reasons why so many people love this mascara and keep coming back to repurchase it again and again. This mascara also contains some truly impressive ingredients. It includes bamboo extract, which strengthens and conditions the lashes while keeping them healthy and flexible. It also contains microfibers which attach to each individual lash and extend them beyond their natural length. And that's exactly why this product is called Sky High. On top of that, it has vitamin E, which nourishes the lash and protects them from damage caused by daily makeup use. The mascara is available in a deep rich black shade that truly makes your eyes pop and look stunning. Light eyes, dark eyes, deep set eyes, or arm-shaped eyes, no matter what, this black mascara works beautifully on all eye shapes and skin tones. It is also suitable for all lash types, whether your lashes are naturally straight, downward pointing, sharp, or short. Who is this mascara best for? If you prefer a natural but polished look for everyday use, this mascara is perfect for you, and you want a bold and glamorous look for a party or special occasions. You can simply build up more coats and get that too. So whether you are a minimalist or a glam queen, this mascara truly works for everyone. After testing it thoroughly and sharing all the details with you today, I can confidently say that this mascara is currently one of the best affordable option available in the market right now. Overall, this mascara is a wonderful choice for everyone who wants longer, fuller, lifted and beautifully defined lashes without spending a lot of money on high-end luxury brands. The lightweight and buildable formula, the innovative flexible brush, the skin-friendly and lash-nourishing ingredients, and the impressive long-lasting performance. These are the strongest and most impressive features of this product. It performs well throughout the entire day, does not flake or small easily, and comes off cleanly at night. What more could you ask for from a daily mascara? Of course, everyone's lashes are naturally different in terms of length, thickness and texture, so the final result may vary slightly from person to person. However, if you are searching for an affordable, effective and reliable mascara that gives you a bold, stylish and eye-catching look, then this product is absolutely worth trying at least once. If you enjoyed today's video and find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any question you have, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our future beauty reviews, product recommended and makeup tutorials. Also, if you want to try the Maybelline Sky High Mascara for yourself, I will be leaving the product link in the description box below so you can easily find and purchase it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to, and your time and support truly mean a lot to me.